and welcome back to my channel. Maggie here, bringing you another video. Today's video is just a really quick flip through or show and tell, I guess, of a swap that I received for 4th of July. It was a loaded stuffed envelope, and as you can see, it is loaded to the max with goodies. So I hope you guys enjoy everything that I received, and if you have any questions, just let me know down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you get all the latest updates and videos that I put out. Thanks guys, bye!